Good morning. I'm starting my day out with a nice green juice. This one I get from Trader Joe's, and I'm trying my best to make healthier options and decisions within my food choices. So instead of reaching for an espresso, I figured let's just try to do juices. This way I'll be naturally kind of energized with the natural sugars, and then I'll be hydrated from within. I feel like coffee definitely gives me the energy that I need. Why do you sit on my couch like this? You give me anxiety. Get down, get down, get down. Thank you. I don't know why you think you're a cat all of a sudden. I don't know who taught you that. Oh, Jesus Lord. Sit down. This is making me nervous. Oh my God. The last thing I need is for him to fall and bust his head. There's concrete underneath this floor, so I can't deal with that. But what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to make healthier decisions, and if it's just swapping out a coffee first thing in the morning with a green juice, that's like the first step to success, okay? So this one has kale, spinach, apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. It's a really simple, smooth green juice to the point where it doesn't taste, you know, too earthy or too much like green juice. I mean, I can handle a lot of greens, but this is really tasty. So I'm gonna have this with my editing. I'm waiting for my Apple Watch to charge right now. Hi. If you guys are not already subscribed, what are you doing? Click subscribe, click the bell next to it so you don't never miss a post. Now, today I was really in the spirit to do a full day of eating. I feel like it's been a hot minute. I don't know when I did my last one, but I really do want to kind of just share a day of eating, what I'm eating right now, and it's nothing crazy. It is a lot cleaner than what I have been eating. I know I used to snack a ton. I was eating a lot of processed foods. Not gonna lie, I was reaching for fast food because your girl has been a little stressed. So it's just important for me to feel the best and to listen to my body. And recently I've been really craving a lot of water-dense foods, so lots of citrus and fruit. And your girl is still on a gallon of water a day. So it is going to be a challenge for me to continue to keep my body hydrated and still satisfied with foods that are flavorful. I don't like to have bland tasting foods. I don't like to eat the same things every single day because it doesn't make food fun for me. But also keep in mind that I cook and prep all of my food, all of my snacks and all of that in my kitchen at home. I don't really eat out unless it's fast food or something. Like I said, I've been stress eating like a couple weeks back, so that was something that I really wanted to focus in on changing. At least I'm self-aware of it so I can make the necessary changes. So I've been in the kitchen whipping up like a stir fry. I was telling you guys earlier that I'm more aware of the foods that I'm reaching for. So I'm gonna go for one of these sumo oranges. Oh, they're so good. These things are so hydrating. They're sweet, they're juicy, they don't have seeds, they're easy to peel. They definitely keep me, I guess, like my appetite curbed. Like I don't crave a lot of sweets, so this definitely does it for me. It's like, girl, I need a snack. These are like $2 a piece, man. Oh no, don't eat that. Thank you. That's how you know these are good and they're in season right now. I hope you guys enjoyed ASMR with Kayla Lashae. Say, I just want to be wherever mommy is. I carry my water bottle from room to room with me, no matter if I'm in my room after meditation, I take it with me. If I'm out there doing some emails or some edits, I take it with me. If I'm running errands, I take my water with me. I haven't really done that great. This is my first one of the day, and your girl's slacking out here in these streets. I just need to get it down. I think I'm just feeling a little bit bloated. So when I'm bloated, I don't really want to drink water, although I know it will help me with the bloating. So I just need to get this down. Maybe some tea, like peppermint tea, will help settle my stomach and ease that whole situation. So this is like what I mean by listening to your body. Listen to how you feel, tune into the signs that your body is telling you. And sometimes it might be that you feel like you're hungry, when in reality your body's saying, no girl, I'm actually thirsty. So maybe just try to drink some water and see how you feel before reaching for some food. Are you hydrated in these streets? Because I see your water bowl and it don't look like it. What's up with that? Anyone else living for Queer Eye on Netflix? Because I get so emotional during these episodes, but I just started watching it and I did a whole season in one day. Now I'm on season 2. Shrimp, which I need to defrost with some penne pasta. And I just defrost my shrimp in a bowl of water. These are my favorite. I get the Argentinian shrimp from Trader Joe's, and they're like the nice big pieces. Don't overcook these though. I'm just going to take some olive oil, drizzle a little bit of that in my pan. I already put a little bit of water in there, so once this pan gets hot, it'll start to cook up and then the sauce will start to melt. Favorite meal if you're in a pinch for time. Now, I love to spice up everything in my life, so I'm gonna add some chili flakes. I forgot I took the lid off of this, so I have to be careful not to dump the whole thing into the food that I'm making. And I'm also gonna add some 21 Savage into this pasta. Basically, it's a nice blend of Italian herbs. I just love Trader Joe's spices. They literally have everything. This whole thing is only $1.99. Okay, can't get better than that. Super important not to overcook the shrimp, so once most of the sauce has been defrosted, that's when I add it in, and I'd probably let it continue to cook for literally 4 minutes at the most. Ooh. Look at that beauty. You can have dinner ready in 10 minutes. You guys just saw how I take one thing from Trader Joe's and I make it my own by adding my favorites inside. I've got my pasta with a side of uploading to youtube.com. Don't get it twisted, I still have my water because I did not forget. A gallon a day, you guys. Drink your water. This is a friendly reminder.
This weekend, Tammy's church is homecoming.
I'm gonna make some tea right now. I just finished my pasta, and I actually have tea quite often after I have a big meal. Not that I ate a lot, but pasta's super filling, so I like to sort of, you know, get my digestion in gear with peppermint tea. I don't know if I have any in here. I thought I had some green tea, but I think I ran out of that. I like to mix green tea and peppermint quite often. See how much I love this? It's almost gone. Hold on. I do 2 tea bags of the peppermint. I like my tea to be nice and strong, so I usually double it up. And this cute little mug I got from Target. One of my favorites. It's so pretty. Look who's back with a little snack. I got some Starbucks earlier today. I just ran out to do some errands, so I swung by and picked up an iced almond milk latte while I do some work over here. I feel like I haven't really moved much, but I'm gonna snack on some hummus while I do some work. So good. Best snack in the world. Just did a little bit of dumbbells for the arms. I'm gonna do arms and booty today. Wearing Fabletics. And then this is just like a little activewear top from H&M. But I just really want to go into the sauna. I don't know, I just felt like I needed to tone up. It is the end of the night. It is almost 9 o'clock. I know it's a little late. Okay, it's really late to be eating. It's 11:30 at night, but this is what I really eat in a day. I don't really feel like it matters so much that I'm having this meal because I listen to my body and it's telling me, girl, you better put some food inside of me, especially after my workout today. I didn't do cardio, I just did some weights. I did upper body and then booty. So I have some heated up meal prep, which is just ground chicken, some brown rice, and I like doing fresh greens on the side. So I have this blend of spinach and spring mix, and voila. I find it's easier for me to eat, you know, all of these greens when I mix everything together because, you know, all the other flavors cover up the earthy taste. But I'm really trying to get in more vegetables, especially like raw veggies. So I had my green juice earlier, which was nice and actually gave me quite a bit of energy throughout the rest of my day. But of course I had that really big coffee too, but I feel like it's just all about balance. So I'm back on that meal prep. Good night.